Well, construction's almost done in my neighborhood. Oh, and excuse this format, ladies and gentlemen. This is, oh geez, this is today's vlog. I'm not getting things edited as fast as I would have hoped, due to some delays with work and, you know, life going on, right? I think this is probably the qualms with any wannabe YouTuber like me, is being able to make that commitment to getting your videos out, or shit, even sometimes just thinking up content. But you know, it is what it is. I'm still able to make like one video a week, or at least get one video out a week, depending on how long it is. I think I've learned that anything over about 20 to 25 minutes takes me too long to edit to do many other videos that week. So I think I'm gonna try to keep things at 20 minutes tops, or like 2 15-minute videos. I think that'd be the sweet spot. But yeah, you know, today woke up, didn't want to go to work. I've got a video, I guess, rendering right now on the iPad, which it's about a minute of rendering per minute of video at 4K. So, you know, it's going to take like an hour. This is the AAR, after action review, report, whatever. God dang, I can't even remember my acronyms now. I've been out just long enough that all of my acronyms are basically fleeting. Where are you going, dude? Come on. Are you gonna turn left? Oh, nice, nice. I'm really happy that you had your left blinker on, but turned right. Awesome. So, where was I? Yeah. So this next video coming up, probably later today, because this video I'm just gonna put straight up on YouTube. I really don't feel like editing it. And yeah, I just wanted to try getting something out there for you guys. I'm obviously, well, I think it's obvious that I'm driving the Civic today. This is my daily driver, the 2012 Civic Si Coupe. Ugh. Gonna be my hot boy stance car one day, when I feel like I can just bite the bullet, get some wheels and coilovers. When I say stance car, I don't really mean like using a quarter of the tires as tread and having them flared out, maybe once or twice for a car show or trolling around. But yeah, I just want a really good daily driving and stock-ish, like autocross SCCA solo type car. So it's gonna be getting some cool little parts eventually. Nothing too crazy past stock, because I do want to try to go into the stock class of SCCA solo. So I'll probably just put like the HFP equipment on the car, as far as struts and springs and sway bars. So it's really not going to make it a lot faster, you know, straight line, but around corners it'll be a little bit better, more compliant, I think, with road course racing or autocrossing. So. Yep, look at this view this morning. I don't like going to work currently, but I like driving to work, just so I can see this stuff. Gosh dang, this road sucks. But, you know, this is probably the most positive thing about my day, is being able to drive into work and have this view of the Rocky Mountains and the foothills. Well, not pristine, but crystal clear, snow-capped. Y'all probably can't see crap because this phone it's not a DSLR or whatever, but yeah, look at that dirty windshield. And of course, all the snow has made it damn near impossible with cold weather to wash anything or keep anything clean and beautiful. But yeah, just driving to work. Don't want to go to work today. I'd rather be editing videos and uploading them for you guys, my valued, awesome viewers. But alas, you got to pay the bills, don't you? I think anybody's got that issue, especially when you buy an EV. It's a little bit more difficult to be like, fuck it, because you got to pay that bill. I don't know how, that's something I was thinking about the other day, is I don't know how the government or we the people or whatever you want to call it are expected to, well, the government is expecting us, but we the people are expected to switch to EVs when these things cost $60,000. Like, I would say the build quality on the Polestar 2 is no better than this Civic. And this is a 2012. And it's a Honda. Build quality is no better. No worse, no better. It's good. And even the fit and finish. I mean, really, what is so different? What is so much better about a Polestar 2, a Volvo, an Audi compared to a vehicle like this? Something sporty with cloth, sport seats. Yeah, everything's plastic. It's hard touch dash and everything. But my panel gaps are great. The lines in the plastic are really super tight. It runs well. The car makes great power. Holds up just fine. It's a little loud, but it's missing some luxury things, but it's not missing, when this vehicle came out, it was probably $25,000, $22,000, something like that. It's not $30,000 better. I get that I'm paying for the battery tech and everything, but how's the government expecting us or auto manufacturers to build $20,000 electric vehicles? They don't really exist unless you go buy a Solo. What is it? Their ticker price is Solo, but it's Solo Machina, some crap like that. It's a single-seater, three-wheel trike, basically, EV. It's got AC, it's got heat, but it's only a single-seater, right? It's got like 100 miles, 120 miles of range. Be perfect for a commute. It's $25,000 or less. It's probably got the same fit and finish as my Civic here. But yeah, I mean, how do they expect us to one, afford, our entire household fleets to be EVs, and two, oh wow, people, wow, speed limit's 40 miles an hour, not 25. Wow. Yeah, it's just something that confused me. A thought-provoking question that I don't have the answer to, and I don't know how most people feel. I think gasoline and diesel vehicles, or mild hybrid stuff like that, yeah, it's still the future. There's no way by 2030, unless companies, private enterprise, has major investment into the EV space. Like, yeah, the government can subsidize it all they want, but at the end of the day, it's going to take Circle K to put in fast chargers, DC fast chargers at their establishments. It's going to take Exxon. It's going to take Mavericks to put in a couple chargers at their gas stations to really get, that charging cost down, or the access to charging by normal people with EVs, to do it, to be able to charge everywhere. And then the battery cost, or there's going to have to be some type of major step in battery technology to bring down cost of these EVs. Elon Musk stopped working on his what is it, the Model 2 or whatever it was, the $25,000 Tesla, which that's fine. That's a company decision he made. But I totally understand why he would stop. it's expensive. The R&D is probably expensive, and albeit the battery technology probably just is not there for a $20,000, $25,000 EV with 150 to 300 mile range, right? It's just not going to happen in the next couple of years. I think we're getting close, but that 5-year mark is going to be our 2 to 5 years is when we're going to see these cars come down in price with newer battery technology. Ugh. Look at this view. So yeah, I mean, that's my rambling thoughts of the morning. Just something I think about while I've been editing, or when I do get to drive the EV, the Polestar 2, when Rachel's not, she doesn't work, so we share it. Basically, she commutes with it, and then when she's not commuting with it, I drive that, and then she'll drive the Civic if she's got to go to the store or something. But yeah, as things sit, you know, it's just gotta live life, gotta go to work, and nothing happens overnight or nothing happens quickly unless you win the lottery. Even then, you still owe some skin in that game. So hopefully you guys, you know, continue to stick around as I'm making these videos. They're gonna be you know, sort of slow coming out, but I am trying to stick to a video a week, and you know, I love seeing all the subscribers and viewers returning. I love y'all's comments, and yeah, this has been a great couple of weeks. I'm digging all the attention the channel's getting and the new viewers that are coming by. So, you know, keep hitting me up in the comments. Subscribe for at least a video a week of Polestar 2 action, Best in the Desert Racing Series action. Well, to hurry up and get this done so my phone doesn't overheat again, I'll pick up where I left off, which was letting y'all know that I'll also be doing SCCA solo this summer in the Civic. That's really it. I've got to kind of get off here, get into work. I had to actually sit here and let my phone cool off before I could finish filming this vlog. I tried to do it in one shot, but well, the phone only wants me to record about 7 to 12 minutes at a time in 4K. So I've got to change some settings and get the phone back to a usable standard of vlogging, if you know what I mean. So I use so all the time. I'm probably going to keep using it. And if you guys don't mind, stick around, watch some more videos. I've got another one coming up today, and we will catch you in the next video.